In the name of who? Good morning. Good morning to all of you wherever you are in the world. We are in Sydney, Australia. Time right now, as you can see on the corner here, is 11:40 a.m. Date is 4th of August 2025. This is going to be part 3 for what we have said last week on the 29th of July. If you're interested, you can actually go to our YouTube channel. I'm talking about this video, part 1, part 2, and what I'm doing right now is part 3. In this video, first one, part 1, I show you some pairs, and we have some forecasts where they're heading and if they go to the direction that we predict, and how we trade them for sell or for buy. Today I am going to record this clip in different way. What I'm going to do, I'm going to replay what I have said on the 29th of July, which is last Tuesday, almost 1 week ago, and I stopped talking and replay, and let's talk, and what I have said we listen together, and then we go through the chart and we analyze the chart and see if it came true or no, or what's happening. So before I go to the chart, as always, in the name of who, pause the video and read this. We are not responsible for your action. This is only education and information side. We give you the way we do trade. We teach you. If you like, we show you, not teach, we show you how we trade. And then we give you a free signal. You can try it on your demo account, but we are not responsible for your loss or gain. This is only education side, and we are not responsible for anything. So please read this, and then we go to the chart. This is the chart. As you can see, I go start with Euro USD. In Euro USD, I believe I did not have any level at that time, and as you can see, 29th of July. Let me go to replay those video clip that we had in this one, and then I replay it, and then we go through the chart one by one and see what I have said. So I'm going to replay, and please watch what I have said, and I stop, then I go to the chart, and we're going back and forwards, and then you see. So let me replay it and you listen what I have said in 29th of July, which was last Tuesday. So in the name of who, I'm going to go to the chart. So first we start with Euro USD. I don't have any level for the Euro USD. For Euro Australia, we have a level. These are the level. I need to see the price coming to this area of the selling zone. And if we get a signal like this red arrow in this area, and then we can sell it. We can sell it to this level. And if price keep continue coming down and pass these two level, 1.79212 and 1.7901, if it comes to this area we call it buying zone. Then if we get the arrows, green arrow in this area, we can buy it to this level. Okay, these are the level for. So this is what I have said for you for Euro Australia, and the price was here. There was no price here. This is on the 29th of July, as you can see here. Let me go to the chart. So Euro Australia 29th of July, as you can see, when I make the video of the first part 1, the price was here. And if you like, you can listen. I said price need to come to this area to sell to this level, and if price continue coming to this area, if we get a signal, we can buy to this level. And let me go forward. Okay, what we need to see, price coming first to this area. Okay, let's see what happened. Price touched the area, went to this area of the selling. We did not have any signal, but the prediction was correct. As soon as came to the area, came and hit that level, and price is here right now. Now time is 11:45 a.m. So the prediction for the sale was correct, but we did not enter to the trade because we did not have any signal like this in this area. Even if we had a signal, it would not worth it. What I need to see price coming to selling zone, and if it's worth it, when I'm saying to the worth, it means that if I enter, then we can make money. But this one we would not be able to make money. But again, the prediction was correct. We came to the area and hit that level. Still, this is valid. If I get signal for buy like this green in this area, I will definitely buy. Let me show you this. From here to here, we will buy. If we get a signal in this area, we will buy to this area. Okay, and let's see what we have set for other one. So in this one, as you can see, our markup for the sale was correct. We are waiting to buy again. Let's go to the chart. If I get a signal, green signal in this area, like this green arrow, we can buy it wherever it happen. We can buy it only to this level, and this level was 1.79011. So this is what I have said on the 29th of July and came true. Let me actually tick this one. Where is that? I'm gonna tick this one was correct, although we did not enter to the trade. Let's go back to the video and replay, say what happened to other one. Euro Australia. I'm just going to show you this first if you don't want to watch the video whole. So for Euro Australia is for buy, pound USD is for buy, pound Australia buy first and then sell second. Pound Japan. Each of this one, although I said buy, because we can trade them twice, first buy for sale or whatever. This one in Euro Australia, first we had for sale, then we had for buy. For pound USD, first we had for buy, then we have for sale, which I have not mentioned that. For pound Australia, we had for buy and sell in different section. This one actually is for trade. I explain later on. For pound Australia, pound Japan, buy and sell again. New Zealand, first is for sale, then for buy. Pound Canada, buy and for sale. Euro Canada, buy and then for sale. And Ethereum for sale first and then for buy. Let me for buy, New Zealand CHF for sale, Pound Canada for buy, Euro Canada for buy, Ethereum is for sale, and today is the date. Okay, I go to each one and I explain to you guys one by one. Pound USD. Pound USD we have for buy. What we need to see, I need to see price coming down to this area of the buying zone. If we get a signal like this green arrow in this area, we can buy it to this level. Okay, and if the price continue going up to this area of the selling zone, and if we get a signal like this, we can sell it to this level. Okay. As you can see, again, this is 29th of July. Last week I mentioned this. There is no price, and I show you where market is heading. If market going down to this area, as I have, I'm going to repeat again what I have said on the 29th of July. Please replay this one, and you will see what I have said. So let's go to the chart for pound USD. The price was here. Okay, when I make the video, the price was here. So let me show you this. You see this candlestick? The price was there. The price was there. What I have said, I said if price come into this buying zone area, which is this is buying zone, the price went up, came to the buying zone. We got a signal to buy, which is not worth it again. I wish the price was coming more down so we could enter to the trade, but the prediction was correct. We had an arrow and hit a level, and price went up to the selling zone. Okay, as soon as we went to the selling zone and hit the level again, we had no signal. You see this one, we had no signal, we had no signal, we had no signal, but again market came and hit that level which I mentioned that for sell. So the prediction and the direction was exactly what I have said, although we did not have signal, so we did not enter to the trade. So we are sticking to the rule: if we get a signal, then we sell it. If we don't get a signal, we don't sell it. If we get a signal to buy, we will buy. But in this case, we don't, because it's not worth it to enter to a trade. If the price was in this area, then we could buy it because we could make some money. So let's see. The price right now is here, and as you can see, the price is here. So the prediction for this one, buy and sell, was correct. Let me tick this one for you guys. Alright, this is correct. Alright, and the sell was okay. So now we go for pound Australia. Let's see what we have said for the pound Australia. So these are the level for pound USD. Everything I put it on the 50 minutes time frame, so hopefully in 1 or 2 days it would happen. Then I'll make the part 2. This is part 1. So as you can see, this is part 1 for all those pair that I have I'm showing to you now. So pound Australia, again this is for buy and for sell. I said first buy and then for sell. So let's see, the price is here, and if the price coming down and past these two levels, 2.04573 and 2. I need to mention something. I had two levels. Each two level we can trade twice. So this one we can trade twice. First to buy, come into this area for sell. Second, if the price come into this area for sell first, and if it's come down to this area for buy. So this is 4 trade. Okay, that is the reason I said 2 trade. Okay, but each trade has got 2 opportunities, one for buy, one for sell. I'm repeating, I reply again. 04479, come into this area of the buying zone, then we can buy it to this level if we get a signal like this green in this area. And as I mentioned before, if the price go up to a selling zone, then if we get a signal to sell, we can sell it to this level. We need arrow, red arrow in this area. So this is for pound Australia, pound Japan, this is for buy actually. Okay, pound Australia, let's go to the pound Australia, see what happened. Pound Australia, the price was here. Okay, we say if price come into our buying zone. Let's see, price did not come to the buying zone, touch, went up, okay, went up, went to the selling zone of these two levels. Okay, you see we got a signal to sell to this level of 2.05859. It was correct what I have said, it was correct. Let me actually mark up this. Okay, it hit the level here, and then price come into the selling zone. Let's see what happened. As soon as came to the selling zone, when it hit the level, when this happened, okay, although we don't have any arrow, I would change, I would make this one as a one level, these two candlesticks. I'll make the horizontal line, and I will wait for the getting signal. We got a signal here, look, the price went up and hit that level for buy. So this one was exactly what I have mentioned. Let me mark up this one as a correct. So this is for sell, this is for buy. Let's see, we have another signal and hit exactly that level that I mentioned to you guys on the 29th, and you can see 31st of July. But normally when we choose the level, we just trade it once. We're not going to get greedy for twice or third. I missed this trade, I did not trade, but the prediction and the level, everything was correct. Okay, let me mark up this one again, that was correct. and again we had another signal for the third time. See this one, and hit that level. I just mark it as a correct just to show you this. This one is correct, and price is here right now, and you can see it's 4th of August. Okay, what I have mentioned, that was on the 29th of July. So next one is for the pound Japan. Let's see what I have set for pound Japan. There is another level that I already entered to the level. This is my entry point. I am in the trade now. This is live account, and you can see this software is called red, black, green. When it's red, it means we are on. Sorry, I have to mention again this one for the pound Japan. Same time when I was talking to you guys, I had entry point. I was in the trade for this level. Let's go back a bit and then see. Green. When it's red, you can see this software is called. Let me check. Why actually? Okay. There is another level that I already entered to the level. This is my entry point. I am in the trade now. This is live account, and you can see this software is called red, black, green. When it's red, it means we are on loss. When it's in black, it's break even, and when it's green, it means that we are making profit. So at the moment, this is showing that we are on loss, but it doesn't matter. This is our target, and this is. I'm going to put the stop loss here. Let me show you this one as well while I'm doing this. We put the stop loss. Sorry. This is wrong. We put a stop loss here. If price come into this area of the stop loss, okay, if we have red signal, if we have red candlestick like this, I'm not going to close. I will wait for the second candlestick. If the second candlestick still is red, for example like this, I'm going to close it. But if this one is green, if it's green, like something like green, doesn't matter the size or shape, I'm not going to close the trade. Let me put it this way. I'm not going to close the trade. If I want, I can enter again, but normally I don't do it. As you can see now, we are on the profit and it turns green. The one we are not on trade, like this one, is always black. Okay, but this is, we are on the trade, and now it's going to hit this level, and as you can see, I am in the trade. Hopefully it would hit the level, and then I'm show you in the part 2 of my video, which is going to be part 2. This is part 1. Right, so that is for the pound Japan news. So pound Japan, let's go to 29th of July, pound Japan. As you can see here, this is my trade. It was live account, and I show you that market had, it goes and hit that level, and it was correct, and I actually make the part 2 in this video, which was only 2 minutes video, and I explain that things that happen. So this is live chart, and as you can see, it hit the level, but this one was for the buying. So what we have said price need to come to this area to buy. Price came, you can see the price came, hit that level, we got a signal to buy, hit that level, which was correct. Let me make it this one as a correct, and then price went up, we got a signal, this is not worth it to enter, but the direction, the prediction was correct. Again, we are right, thanks to our software which my partner made. He did very good job. So the price went down again. In this area we got again signal, but this one already happened. If I wanted to enter, most probably I would enter to this level, not because these are already has been hit once, twice. So I would choose this area when we got a signal to sell. As you can see, market came 1, 2, 3 signal to sell, okay, which was correct. Where is this one? So for buy, for the sell, everything we have said for pound Japan was perfect. Exactly what we have said was correct. Let me tick this one for the pound. Pound Australia, what was that? This is pound Japan. Pound Japan is correct. Let me tick it. Pound Japan was for buy and for sell was correct. Let me do this one as well for you guys. Both was correct. For pound Japan. For the pound Australia was this one was for sell, which it happened. This one was correct too. Let me do this one as well. Okay. So let's go to the chart. As you can see, the price is right now and it's 4th of August. The next one would be New Zealand CHF. Let's see what we have said for New Zealand CHF. I replied, New Zealand CHF is for sell. What I forgot to mention this one. What we need to see, this is for buy again. Why I'm enter to this level, this is another system I have. But for this one, what we need to see, after market come into this area. Please listen, this is what I have said on the 29th of July for buy and sell. And then I did show you already, but I'm going to repeat it again, reply it again. Let me show you this. If price come into this area and we get a signal like this, I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy to this level first, again. And if price keep continue and go up to selling zone, then I can sell it to this level. At the moment I am buying it. I have another system which I have never told you before, so I'm using that one. So at the moment this is for buy, but again, when the price come into this area of the buying zone, we can buy to this level. Please look at this candlestick. When I was making this video on the 29th of July, let's go back to pound Japan. That was pound Japan. I'll show you this. Okay. The price was here. That's the candlestick. Look at this. You see this small candlestick, and that's the second one, right? I want to show you this. This is a small candlestick, and that one was playing, going up and down at the time when I was making the video. What I had said, I said price need to come to this area of buying zone first, then we can buy it to this level. Price came, hit that level, and then we had another chance to buy. We got a signal to buy, and then price came to the selling zone. This is another chance to sell, which we did not because it's not worth it, and come back again. It went, hit that level, we got a signal, it is not worth it. We got a signal for the third time, and when hit that level and price went up, we got a signal for sell, as we mentioned again here, and you can see this happened. So let's go back to the video and see. If we keep continue coming to the selling zone, we can sell. This is for the pound Japan. New Zealand CHF is, so let's go for New Zealand CHF. Let me for sell New Zealand CHF. Let's see what happened. New Zealand CHF. Show you this. The price was here when I was making the video. You can see. Look at all this candlestick. The price was here, you see. And let's watch what we have set. I need to see price coming to this area, and then if we get a signal, we can sell it first to this level. please make attention what I am talking. I say first to this level. If the price keep continue passing this level, two level, coming to our buying zone, then I can buy it for this level. Okay. First, we need to see price coming first. Please make attention. That's what I'm saying. First, we need to see this price come to our selling zone. Then we get a signal like this. In this area, we can sell to this level, 0.48032. If price keep continue coming to buying zone, then we can buy it. Okay. Okay. This is what I have said on the 29th of July. Let's go for the New Zealand CHF. The price came, as I have mentioned, to our selling zone. We got a signal. It's not worth it to the enter, but the prediction and the direction was correct. Let me tick this one. Okay. And then price came down and hit the level. I would make this one as a new level, and this is the signal, and then we enter to the trade. If we enter to the trade, we don't enter to the trade in the beginning of any section because too much commission you have to pay. Anyway, we had a signal and the correction, it was correct. Market went and hit that level. So I was correct perfectly. Thanks God, Yahoo. So this happened again, another signal to buy, another signal to sell, another signal to buy, another signal to sell, and another signal to sell. This is perfect prediction for New Zealand CHF. I should actually tick all this for my future reference. All this was correct, exactly what we have said. Okay. I don't know how much. Okay, let me do this. This one again happened again, and this has happened again too. What we do normally only do one time trade. We do not go for 2, 3, 4 times. And the price is right here right now and is 4th of August. That was for New Zealand CHF, which I mentioned on the 29th of July. This is reply of the video. Let's see, the next one would be, I believe, Euro Canada. Let's see what we have said for the Euro Canada. For New Zealand CHF, Euro Canada, again, I am on the trade. As you can see, the software shows in green, and my aim is here. If I hopefully hit this level, then this is my taking profit. The reason I entered to this trade, because I just want to show you about this software that we have, and it shows when you are in the profit or in loss. For this, I have to mention again this one. If price come into this area of buying zone, then we can buy it to this level. If price continue going up to selling zone, if we get the signal, we can sell it to this level. Alright. We need a signal to sell like this in this area. So this one was for Euro Canada. Let's go to the Euro Canada. Euro Canada. Okay. When we make that video, the price was here and the trade was successfully hit, and I upload the part 2. Let's show you this. I uploaded part 2, which was 2 minutes video, and only 5 people watch it, which is okay. If you are not interested to see, it's up to you. But I mentioned that the 3 trade I had when I was making this video all hit the level. But anyway, go back to the video. As you can see, the price was here, and I explained everything. I'm not going to repeat. The price came down, hit that level. You see, hit that level. And if I'm going to the trade, which I missed this trade, this is the new level. But anyway, let's see, the price came and hit that level almost 1, 2, 3 times. We had signal and hit that level. Okay, let me make this one as correct. Okay, and that is for Euro Canada. I forgot actually Euro Canada. And for the pound Canada was correct. Let me tick this one as well. New Zealand CHF was correct as well. New Zealand CHF was correct too. Euro Canada buy is correct as well. Okay, let's see. And market went to the selling zone. We had signal to sell, and this one was exactly what we have mentioned. Okay, so this one was correct too. This is one signal, and the price is right now here. I'm not going to enter the trade because once it hit. So we're not going to get greedy for this one, but eventually probably it would hit again, maybe. So next one would be pound Canada. Let's see what we have said about pound Canada. This is for Euro Canada. For the pound Canada, again I am in the trade as well again, and you can see we are in the loss, but it doesn't matter. For the pound Canada, as I have mentioned here on the 29th, I was in a trade aiming for this level. Let's go to the chart. Pound Canada, as you can see here, that was my entry for this level, and market when I hit that level, so I was correct. So go back to the video what I'm saying. This is our target to go to this level, and this is for next time if the price come into this area, I will buy again to this level, which is 1.83214, and if price continue going up, coming to this area of the selling zone, then if we get a signal like this, we can sell it to this level. Okay, so this one was the pound Canada. Let's go to the pound Canada. When I was making the video on the 29th of the July, the price was here, and I mentioned that price need to come to this area. Let's see what happened. Price came, as you can see, hit that level already. We got a signal, hit that level. Okay, I was correct. Ping pong, exactly. Thanks to my partner, the software he make is exactly accurate. I'm not saying 100%, but as you can see, I don't need to promote ourselves. So this one was correct. The price came to the selling zone. We had signal to sell, which not worth it. This is second time, and market hit that level. So that was correct again. You can watch that video which I make it on 29th of July. And we got another signal to buy again to this level. You see how accurate this went right to this level and hit. Okay, for the third time. 1, 2, this is for the third time. And the price is went up again. And one more time is up. It's fourth time, which I'm not going to do it. Anyway, now is 4th of August, and the price is here. This is live account, live chart. So for the pound Canada was correct. Let's tick the pound Canada as well. Pound Canada, which already tick anyway. So let's see the next one. I believe is for the Ethereum, but for the gold and Bitcoin we did not have. Let's see what I have said. Let me fix this. Okay, that is for the pound Canada. For the gold, I don't have any level. For the Bitcoin, I don't have any level. For Ethereum, yes, we have a level for Ethereum. What I need to see this price come to this area of the selling zone. Then we get signal, then when I get a signal to sell, I sell it to this level. And if price continue coming down to this area of the buying zone, if we get a signal like this in green in this area, I will buy it to this level. Okay, so this one was for Ethereum. Let's go to As I have mentioned, we didn't have anything for gold. Gold is here right now. Nothing for Bitcoin at the time. No level for Ethereum. We had this. Okay. Let me show you my video. On the 29th of July, the price was here. Nothing. No price was there. As you can see, we need to see the price come into this area of the selling zone, and price went down. We will wait. And price has not come yet. Okay, this is still valid. This is still valid, and we are waiting for price coming to this area to selling zone to sell, and after that coming to buying zone to buy. So this is all I have said to you guys on the 29th of the July, and one by one it came true. In the name of who? I'm going to close this video. This video is getting too long, but it's worth it. If you like to see, you can watch and you can compare it and see what I have said. It was correct. Today is 4th of August. Before I go, please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video, and hopefully if the Ethereum happen, I might make another video for show you. Otherwise, if I find any other level, I will do it. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.